Hello dear friend, good morning and welcome to Genius Education. Here is the topic for today. This is about human disease. हम इसमें जानेंगे ह्यूमन डिजीज़ क्या है, किसे डिजीज़ कहते हैं, डिजीज़ का फैक्टर्स क्या होता है, इसके बारे में हम जानेंगे। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिजीज़ किसको कहते हैं इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आइडिया हमको जानना चाहिए। सो देखिए, यू कैन रीड दिस लाइन। अगर किसी इंसान और एनी इंडिविजुअल राइट डिस्कम्फर्ट फील करते हैं और एबनॉर्मल जो कि कंडीशन और स्टेट कहते हैं, इसको डिजीज़ कहते हैं। यानी इफ़ यू थिंक दिस इज़ ए ह्यूमन बीइंग इज़ ए नॉर्मल बीइंग राइट, एवरीथिंग that is in normal state like us, you and me, if the person get affected by any bacteria, virus or any pathogens or any other intrinsic factors and he becomes sick, all right, so it become abnormal or it become discomfort, so this state is called as disease. So disease, the factors affect and causes disease are called as disease causing factors. So factors may be two types. So first of all, you see this, the here is written as intrinsic factor, another one is the extrinsic factor. You can read this line. Intrinsic यानी these are the different factors, यानी जो factors होते हैं जो फाउंड होते हैं इनसाइड योर बॉडी राइट, इसको कहते हैं हम इंट्रांसिक फैक्टर। जैसे कि इनसाइड योर बॉडी यू हैव हार्मोन, इफ देर इज ए हार्मोनल इनबैलेंस ओके दैट कॉज ऑल्सो डिजीज, if there is a genetic problem so that is also called as genetic disease, if there is a some other thing called as kidney, heart attack, okay, these are different things present in your body and if they get affected by the intrinsic factor, these are called as intrinsic disease or intrinsic factors. Another one is extrinsic factor, यानी बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो कि एनवायरनमेंट में पाई जाती है और ज़्यादातर ये जो फैक्टर्स होते हैं एनवायरनमेंट में होते हैं, जैसे कि नार्कोटिक ड्रग्स, अल्कोहल्स, टोबैको एंड डिफरेंट माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, इफ दे affect you or they getting inside you or any kind of any individuals, then they will get affected by a disease. Okay, so this is called as extrinsic factor. So let's see another point. The pathogens are the disease causing agent, yani if somebody asking you what are called as disease causing agent, simple answer, there is a pathogen. So let's see the classification. Here is the classification and you can see the disease mainly classified into two types. First one is your acquired disease, another one is your congenital disease. Acquired disease किसे कहते हैं? Acquired यानी the disease acquired by himself or herself, right? यानी the disease which is not present since birth, यानी जब हम birth करते हैं किसी इंडिविजुअल्स को, so the disease which is not present that time, the disease which is acquired after birth is called as acquired disease. If the disease present since birth, यानी the disease अगर पेरेंट्स से अपस्प्रिंग को आता है तो इसको कहते हैं congenital disease. All right, so next see, acquired disease can be classified into two types. The first one is your communicable disease, another one is your non-communicable disease. And what does the mean of communicable? If the disease is communicating or transforming or or spread from one person to this another, called as that is communicable disease. The disease that is communicate from one person to another is called as communicable, and the disease which is do not transmit from one individual to another is called as non-communicable disease. Then again you can see there is another thing called communicable disease can be divided into two types. The first one is your contagious disease and another one is your non-contagious disease. Let's see what does the mean of contagious. All right, contagious yani it is a direct contact disease. Okay, the disease caused by direct contact, and the disease which is called as indirect contact. Okay, so these are some basic factors about the disease. So I got the points what should do know about the disease I explained. I think you got, guys. So thank you for joining me, and let's see the another terms on the next video. Thank you for joining me.